In this video, we'll illustrate how to use Equation Editor that's built into Google Docs. And so if I want to replicate an equation like the quadratic formula right here, I will use the Insert feature and then select Insert Equation. And everything within this faint box is going to be part of the equation itself. And so I'll type in there x equals. And now notice over here I have a fraction to contend with. So I'll have to enter a fraction template. And so if I look here, here's a fraction template. And now everything in the numerator I can type in now. So I'll say negative b. And now I need the plus or minus. That's going to be a miscellaneous operation. So I'll click over here and there's a plus or minus right there. And now I notice that everything is going to be under the square root. So I'll go over here and say I'd like the square root. Well, the first value within the square root is going to be a squared value. So I'm going to pick up one that has an exponent. So I'll say b, and then if I use the right arrow, it'll take me to the next part in the template, which is going to be the numerator. And then if I use the right arrow again, it's going to take me back to where I was, so I can type the minus 4a. And then c. And since I'm done with everything in the numerator, I can press the right arrow one more time. That allows me to put something in on top, but outside of the square root. But since nothing exists there, I'll just do it one more time. It takes me down to the denominator, and I'll put in 2a. All right, so then if we click enter, then that'll enter the formula. Notice that this is inside a box. That's a formula. That's not just specially formatted characters within the doc. So let's go ahead and choose another one down here. So I'll slide down. I'll choose, let's say, this integral. So here's just a sample integral. And so again, I'll say insert the equation editor. So insert the equation editor. And I'm going to look for the template up here. And right here, I want to select the integral, one here with upper and lower limits. So I'm going to try that right there. And then I'll type the 1, and the right arrow again will take me right up to the top. Then if I press the right arrow one more time, it gives me the 5. But now I want to have a squared function next. So again, I'll go to the template, and I'll try the x to the b. In this case, I'm just going to use x and then right arrow 2. And then again, right arrow, and that'll take me down to this line. So I can just put a space, cosine, and then parentheses, again, a cube. So I'm going to have to get an exponent template. There's the exponent template. And that is going to be x and then right arrow third. And then right arrow again will take me back down to the line I'm working on. And then dx, and equals, and then I'll just complete the other formula here again. Just say, okay, another template. That's going to be another integral with limits. So I'll put there starting from 1, right arrow to 8, right arrow. Now I have a fraction, so I'll have to put in the fraction, which is going to be under the mathematical templates right here. That's going to be 5, and then right arrow 3, and then again the right arrow to get me out, cosine, and then u du. Right, again, if you press enter and then enter again, it's going to take me down to the next line. Let's just try one more. Let's try equation that's used in biology, photosynthesis. So here all we have is subscripts and an arrow. So insert equation. And now I'll just start typing in 6CO. But now remember that that's needs a subscript. So I'll just back up and I'll choose the template that has a subscript right here. Right arrow. And then right arrow one more time, plus 6H. Again, right arrow. That's the trick on this whole thing. Choose the template. And then, oops, you can see that it didn't work there. So